Let me go and joggle, man. It's time for joggle today. This is Radio Prostate Cancer Foundation. Let us joggle. We need to joggle, man. This is Radio Prostate Cancer. Today is Sunday. We are thanking God for make us possible for us to wake up this morning. We have to glorify His holy name. This is to advise people, to educate people that exercise is the best in the world. We have to use exercise to defeat any disease that come into our system. Exercise, joggle, swimming, running, all these things can prevent the risk of or can decrease the risk of disease in our life. We need to joggle. Whenever we joggle, we have defeated our enemy. Any disease coming into our way, we're going to defeat it. That's why Radio Prostate Cancer all about to program to talk about how to defeat how to fight for cancer, because cancer is a deadly disease. This is Radio Prostate Cancer Foundation. Good morning, everybody. Cruz Corp, good morning. Wie geht's dir? Kagdela. Bonjour. Salut Dios. Hola. Salam alaikum. Salam. Salam alaikum. Salam. Anywhere you're watching me this morning, I want you people to share this video. Share this video is very important because we're trying to educate people. We're trying to fight for cancer. Please share this video to everybody. We need to tell the world that exercise is the decreased risk of any disease. Yeah.
today is just take today. Once in a while, I have to run. I have to joggle. I'm not at the gym today. I just say joggle and we gotta joggle, man. Please share this video. We're trying to educate young youth. A lot of people are dying because of lack of exercise. If you need to help this organization, if you want to support this organization, please share this video. Let everybody learn. Information is the secret of failure. Let us share this information. You can swim, you can joggle, you can walk, you can go to gym, you can work out at home. All these things can decrease the risk of disease. Exercise, it can stretch you, it can help you a lot to decrease of risk of cancer, any disease. At times, if you know how to swim, if you know how to joggle, walking, all these things can decrease the risk of disease. You need to, every morning, if you don't want to go to gym, you can joggle. You can walk around, take a time to walk around. All these things are. If you go to our website, you want to support this organization, Reggie Poster Cancer Foundation, you go to www.reggiefoundation.org. Or you can call our number. It's there. That's the way to support this organization. You can share it. Share this platform. Let people spread this information, very important. Every time, just take a time, one day, you joggle or you walk around. All these things can help you a lot. You can boost your system. Most of my guys are, they are doing it now. They are following me, my footsteps, walking around, juggling every morning. Now you gotta walk. Take your time to walk around. Not stay in the car driving every time. You gotta exercise. One of my guys, I saw him day before yesterday. He was juggling. His name is Apollo from Cameroon. The guy is, if you see this guy now, man, you won't believe it. He's juggling every morning, because he followed my footsteps. I love that. God will support him, man. Please, I want every young youth, because of a lot of people are dying right now. A lot of people are losing their life because of lack of exercise. We need to buckle up. Young youth. At times when something happens, it thinks maybe somebody do something happen. Nothing. Because we don't look after our body. We only look about only money. We got to exercise, please. Let us exercise and destroy all this disease. Exercise is the most important thing. Prayer with exercise, it can destroy any disease on your system. This is to prevent, this is to decrease the risk of any disease, any cancer, type of cancer coming through you. With this disease, with this exercise, working out at home, swimming, all these things can decrease the risk of disease. That's the only thing I'm can advise everybody. Look at my guy. I saw him there for his day. His name is Apollo from Cameroon. He was jogging there for his day. If you see his body, he's down. I don't think anything will happen to him because he's a juggling every morning. Because he feels that's been advising everybody, educating all the young youth to follow Reggie Poster Cancer Foundation. Please. You gotta jog. All these things that can help us. Yeah. Man, if you want to support this program, share this video. If his money is not only thing you can support through sharing the information of this program. That's the only way. Or you can support through our website. If you want to support, you go to online www.readyfoundation.org and support. God will bless you if you support this program. God will anoint you. God will locate you. As moment you honor this program, Reggie Poster Cancer Foundation, God will honor you. As you're watching it, sharing it, supporting by financially supporting, any way you can support, God will locate you. God will protect you. God will bless you. That is a program. This is a new organization trying to educate, trying to end the injustice of poverty in Africa, trying to build. The project we have now is to build cancer hospital in Africa. That is our project. We need to honor. We have some people that volunteers now. Most of volunteers, we are looking for volunteers who can help this organization to grow. We have board of directors. We have account executive. Right now, we need to. I don't want to go to gym today. I just want to joggle. That is my program today, to joggle. That to tell the world, to joggle is to decrease the risk of disease. Working out in the morning, working at home can decrease. If you know how to swim, you can go and swim. All this exercise. We need to, if you look at this world now, young people are dying. Nothing causes it. It's the lack of exercise. Most of them, they have a disease on their body because of there's no exercise, nothing happened with them. They don't do anything. All this thing can generate another thing. That's why I'm advising all the young youth. They need to buckle up in time. Earlier is better to fight for this cancer, to fight for disease. How are we going to fight it? Is to exercise. Not every time driving, go to work, go to business. Most of my guys are following me, my footstep. Somebody like Apollo. I saw him yesterday, day before yesterday, juggling on the road. That is to kill, that is way to destroy any disease now. This is my part of my program, is only to educate, to advise for young youth to exercise. Today I just want to run. I just want to tell the world. I just want to educate the people. I want young people to buckle up in time. Get up, let us juggle. You can't sit at home. God help those, help themselves. God cannot help you when you sit at home. But when you work out, God will say, let me support you. If you stay at home, God will not going to help you. If you don't have to look for money, God is not going to help you. You have to put all your hands in different things. God will help you. Let us buckle up. Let us do something. Men, I'm talking to folks. Men and women, you need to buckle up. Check out how many people in the road now. Juggling. A lot of people. This is Reggie Poster Cancer Foundation. This is Reggie Foundation. This is a part of our mission to exercise, to educate, to fight for cancer, to end the injustice of poverty in Africa, to build a cancer hospital. That is our project. We have at hand. That's our mission. That is our goal. To raise what? How much are we going to raise? We're going to raise 20 million. It's part of our project. This is Reggie Poster Cancer Foundation. This is a non-profit organization. 501c. We need to juggle. See. This is our program, Reggie Poster Cancer Foundation. We're trying to end the injustice of poverty. We're trying to fight the disease all over the world now. We're trying to fight the cancer through what? Through exercise. We can fight it. exercising. You gotta walk out. You gotta juggle. All these things can decrease the risk of cancer, the risk of prostate cancer, the risk of disease in your body. Through exercise, we can fight all the disease. You can't sit at home. Please, you gotta jog, you gotta exercise. For you to live longer, you gotta exercise, my guy. For you to live longer, you gotta work out. Leave other things to God. God will take control, but you gotta get up and juggle. If you look at other people in the road now, I saw a lot of people juggling. If you want to live longer, you gotta go for swimming. If you know how to swim. If you want to live longer, you gotta go to gym. You gotta gym. If you want to live longer, you gotta work out at home. Please, folks, all over the world. That is the secret. There's the secret of information. This is a secret. This is the Prostate Cancer Foundation. There's nothing. The only thing to kill all this disease is exercise. Nothing else. That's the only way to live longer. To eat healthy. Mind the kind of food you are eating. Don't eat jungle food, man. You gotta eat healthy. Eat your vegetable. All this broccoli. You gotta eat vegetable. Don't eat red meat. White meat is good. Eat healthy, you will live longer, man. Nobody will gonna know your age. You know what I'm saying? Please, let us buckle up. Exercise. This is Reggie Prostate Cancer Foundation. To turn it back. Please, I might go to our website. If you want to support this program, go to our website www.reggiefoundation.org. You can share this video. It's a part of support. You can follow this video. You can follow our footstep exercise every morning. Work out at home. If you want to juggle, you juggle. If you want to go to gym, you go to gym. If you want to go and know how to swim, you can swim. All these things can boost you. All these things can help you. It can help you if you want to live long. If you want to live long, my guys, I know anything can happen tomorrow. Anything can happen in a minute, but at times, let us do something. Let us do something. Let us use this exercise. I know we leave other things to God. We pray to God. We pray to God, but we gotta put in a practice. You know, that is a practically. We gotta do it. You know, everything is not only somebody. You know, like when pastor or prophet is telling you something, but he did not put it practical. That is not a prophet. But when somebody telling you something and put it practical, which means it's rare. All what I'm telling you is rare right now. Go to Google. He Googled. Go to Google. He Googled. What is the importance of exercise? He will gonna tell you the importance of exercise. You can Google it. You can go to our website www.reggiefoundation.org. I'm educated in this. You can go to our YouTube. You go to Twitter. You go to Instagram. Reggie Poster Cancer is there. You can subscribe. Why is it? Because of everything young people dying because of what? Lack of exercise. We don't put everything practically. We only doing a kind of theory. Theory cannot help us. We gotta put everything practically. We can decrease the risk of disease. Whatever we are going to do in the physically, God have no anything spiritually. Let us put something physically. Let leave other things to God. Let us practically practice make perfect. If you don't want to go to church today, if you don't go to a jogging, go outside. Help yourself. Do something. You got to be happy. If you don't go to church, you got to go to jogging. Go and work out. You can swimming. You can dance at home. Put your music. All these things can help. Can decrease the risk of disease. Can decrease the risk of any type of disease. Look at all over the world. Virus, cancer, diabetes, everything, mosquito, malaria, all of everywhere. Now this is come up, COVID-19. We need to do something, my guys. We need to exercise. Let us fight for all these diseases. Let us fight by spiritually. Let us fight for physically. This is the two most important things. We gotta fight for all these diseases. We fight it for spiritually. We fight it for physically. These are the two major things we need to fight for. Decrease the risk of prostate cancer or any disease on your way. Let us fight it. We fight it from spiritually. What I mean by spiritually is that you gotta pray. You gotta pray to God. You gotta commit your life to God. The another thing, physically, you gotta put it practically. As I'm doing juggling, as I'm juggling right now, he put it practically. That is what they call physically. This is Reggie Poster Cancer Foundation. I've been juggling right now. Don't let your body deceive you. My guys, my folks, don't let your body deceive you. Don't matter how your body like. You gotta do so. You gotta exercise, please. You gotta do something. You gotta exercise. Don't allow your body to deceive you. Most of people, when you look at your body, you think you are looking good. It's not good. Maybe something inside you. But when you go and joggle, all those waste products, all those waste things are getting out from your body. All this part of exercise, please. Let us put everything in physically. We have two things in this life. And you put things in the spiritual realm, you put something in physical realm, all these things will manifest immediately to your life. If you want to save your life right now, please, let us put everything we are doing, spiritually and physically. This is the two things, the major things in life. Without these two things, you are not going anywhere, my guys. I'm telling you right now, as Reggie Prostate Cancer Foundation educating, that's the only foundation can educate you. That is my mission, to educate. That's the only way. That's the promise I make to God. This is the vow I make to God, that I will come up with these ideas. Please, all volunteers, all my volunteers, look, watch me. All my board directors, watch me. All the account executive, watch me. All these things are part of our program. That's a part of mission. We have to do it. We have to do it. We can't allow doing things too early. Calling people to donate, but how do you do it? You have to show them. What are you going to help them? That's the way we are going to help them. Our donors, our board of directors, our volunteers, that's the way to help. Please, let us buckle in time. Let us help us. Let us fight for this cancer. Let us fight for this disease all over the world by exercise. Through exercise, we can defeat all this evil disease called evil disease. They call it evil. Bible call it evil disease. It's an evil because it can kill at any time. It can destroy your life at any time. But all these things with exercise, we can fight it. Please, you can go to our website, support this or share this video to everybody. This is the only way you can support this organization, this non-profit organization. Please support this Reggie Prostate Cancer Foundation. Go to online www.reggiefoundation.org. God will bless you. God will bless you. God will bless you. If you support this organization, God will bless you. If you honor this organization, God will bless you. This is the truth we have to do in life. The world is changing. The world is not like 50 years century. The world is dynamics now. We are in 20. We are not in where God is in our life. Now we gotta change things in our life. We don't allow anybody to change all these things. You're gonna change your life. You're gonna make your timetable for yourself. Do this exercise every morning. Most of my guys have been doing it right now. They follow my footsteps. That's the Reggie Prostate Cancer Foundation to educate, to advise. Because I cannot stay here with Reggie Prostate Cancer, allow the young people dying because of what? Lack of exercise. We gotta tell them what to do. Everybody watching all these things, please share this video right now. There's the only video, this is the only platform can talk about, can educate. There's the only video trying to end the injustice of poverty in Africa, to build the first cancer hospital in Africa. That's only. This is our project. What's up? the Reggie Prostate Cancer Foundation. This is the way to solve this problem. We need to remove all this waste product in our body by exercising, by juggling, by walking, by swimming, and dancing too. I'm going home right now. I'm walking back home. I'm done for today. I'm trying to educate. I will advise you people, everybody that watching me, watching this video, earlier the better. You wake up in the morning, you pray to God spiritually. You wake up in the morning, you go for workout or juggling. That is physically. That's the only thing, the two major things you have to help your life. And again, mind what you are eating. Don't eat much red meat. White meat is good. Eat much vegetable. Fruit, but don't eat sweet, anything sweet vegetable, sweet fruit. If you want to drink anything like juice, don't drink water, drink tomato juice, drink cranberry juice. That's the only two juice you can drink. It can boost you, it can decrease the risk of cancer, it can help you a lot. That's the only two things you can do. Mostly, don't drink milk. You drink like the kind of milk you got to drink. Soya bean milk. Soya bean. All this soya milk is good for your body. All these things are. That's the only foundation can educate. That's the only way I can advise my young youth. Because I don't want to hear any young youth dying. If any death come, let it come from God. This death cannot come through carelessness because of one thing or the other. We don't look after us. Check yourself. Go to your doctor. Check your PSC every year. Tell your doctor, go to hospital, check your PSC. It's very important. Earlier is better. I'm only thing to advise. I'm not a doctor. I'm not a prophet. I'm not a pastor. I'm only a spiritual man, ordinary man. That's only what God tell me to do. That's my mission. That's my gift. That's my call. Only to educate, to tell the young people. Philanthropist, that is my life. That's why I came for this world, to help people, to young people, to help people that need help. If you have money, don't call me. I need people that need help. People, if you can support, donate. You go to Reggie Prostate Cancer Foundation. You go to www.reggiefoundation.org. You go to Facebook. You go to Instagram. You go to Twitter. You go to YouTube, Ready Prostate Cancer Forever is there. Please help this organization. Support, share this video. We're trying to eliminate all this disease in our system. Through what? Through exercise. If you know how to swim, you swim. Work out at home. Jogging. Go to swimming. Look, you go and dance. Look something else to do. Please. There's 2 major things you have to do in life to save your life. I'm not a prophet, please. I'm not a pastor. I'm not a doctor. I'm only doing all these things that I have. This is a testimony from God. This is a testimony. This is if things have never happened to you, you don't know anything. When something happened to you, you know that you don't allow something to happen to another person. That's why the 2 major things you have to live in life to decrease the risk of disease. 1, spiritually. 2, physically. You have to pray to God. That's called spiritually. Physically, you gotta put it practical, as I'm doing it right now. As I'm educating you people right now, as I'm juggling this morning, please join me. Let's boost this thing. Help me share this video. Help me and let people know about this information. Information is the key. Information is the key. It's the major things. We blacks, we need to block us. Buck up. We need to buck up, please. Let's get up in the morning. Let's do something to save this life. My guys, as you're watching me, look at me. Nobody will know my age. Look at me. Nobody will know what is inside me. Nobody know what is going on. But this Lord, the only God will know. But what I'm telling you right now, go and exercise, please. Go. If you follow me, if you follow my advice, if you follow me, I don't think you will lose your life. Carelessness. Please juggle. That's the only way I can do. If you don't want to donate, if you don't want to support this, if you don't want to donate, you don't want to share, but follow me, wake up in the morning, do exercise, juggle, walking, or go to gym, register for gym. Do it. Even though 2 times in a week is okay for you. 3 times a day is a week. But make sure every week do something for your life. Because you are eating every day. Many things causes all these problems causing from eating. Bacteria. I know mostly cancer or prostate cancer come from genetic. Maybe it's come from your grandfather or forefather or those things. But at times, mostly it comes from infection. What we eat. We're trying to do something, please, my guys. I'm trying to end this video because I'm done for today. I've been walking around, jogging around today. And thank God today He have given me the strength to do it. Man, it's not easy. When God gives you the strength to do something, you gotta glorify Him. You're gonna praise His holy name because He's a mighty God of heaven. He's the Jehovah Nissi, the Jehovah Ramah, the Ancient of Days, the name that above other names. He's a great proposer. He's a wonderful counselor. Today is a Sunday, it's a Sabbath day. We gotta do something to make God happy. What are you going to do to make God? Not God going to do for you. Do something to God. That's the only way I'm advising you guys. Any way to educate you people. I'm going to end this video. Go to our website, www.reggiefoundation.online to make this, or you can call us. Support this organization. Support them. It's not when people are dying, support. Some people support in life. This is a live donation, please. Thank you. God bless you people as you're watching me. I see you next time. Maybe I will come out in the evening to talk if I have the strength. If God give me the message to come up to say something about my program, I have to do it. But today I'm ending the video. God bless you as you're watching me. Share this video to everybody to hear. Go to my Instagram. Share this video. Go everywhere. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. Subscribe. God bless you as you're watching me. Thank you.